What's happening, creatures? Tim Kreitz here, Tim Kreitz Adventures. On today's episode, more flying machines and a geographical oddity. Stick around. Yes, you guys might remember this place from an episode that I did last year called Webb Air Base. I came over to this hangar, Hangar 25, but it was closed, and so took a few pictures of the outside, took a picture of their static Harrier, and then went on about my day. But hopefully it's open today. Let's find out. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Just fine.
Welcome to the museum.
Thank you. Sign in?
Sure, please. Come on in this
Oh,
way.
thank you very much.
Around the corner here, we have the front section, the nose section of a B-52 bomber.
Okay.
There's an entry hatch there, then you are more than welcome to climb up and go exploring.
Oh, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to happen.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. Okay. Such nice people. Wow. They basically just gave me the free run of that place. I went wherever I wanted to go and did whatever I wanted to do. It was awesome. Man, it's so beautiful. I don't really want to go home yet. I'll tell you what we can do while we're over here. I'll show you a place that some of you may remember. If you are a real diehard Tim Kreitz Adventures fan, like if you've been following since episode 1, you will remember this place I'm going to take you next. And actually, it's not something you can go back and rewatch because I took the video down. So if you are one of the very few and fortunate ones to see episode 10 of Tim Kreitz Adventures, which is no longer available for viewing due to a very aggressive copyright strike I got from the Eurythmics. Screw you, Eurythmics. I'm never buying another one of your records. Those of you who remember that episode will remember we came to a place called the Historic Spring in Big Spring, Texas. Well, I've been wanting to come back here since having to take that video down and kind of reshoot the episode. This is a good excuse and a good time to do it. So here we are. What you got there, big old
Yellow cat.
a yellow cat? Wow, man, I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Can I take a picture of that?
Yeah.
That is awesome, man. He's got some meat on his bones.
Yeah.
This spring was discovered in the 1800s by an explorer named Randolph Marcy, who's sort of a West Texas legend. In fact, he mapped and discovered a lot of the places and things you've seen in past episodes. This is kind of a cool place. It's serene and quiet. Dude's sitting over there fishing. Not a bad place to spend an afternoon if you're looking for a little solitude. Man, my kind of spot. I was glad to be able to get back and reshoot that after having lost episode 10. And honestly, my first few motovlogs, it took me 15 or 20 motovlogs to kind of figure this thing out. It wasn't that great of an episode anyhow. That's one of the beauties about doing a bunch of these and progressing over time. So hey, everything happens for a reason, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I know I certainly did. I almost don't want to go home. In fact, I may not, but I'm going to stop filming just to keep this thing a reasonable length, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. So until then, God bless you. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves, and catch you on the next one. Bye.